Good afternoon. The Appellate Division, First Department is now in session. My colleagues and I welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, to these virtual admission ceremonies. Ms. Schwartz, please proceed.
Thank you. Good afternoon, and may it please the court. I, Sharon Schwartz, staff counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 25 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. Before the court rules on your motion, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of myself and my colleagues to thank the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for the excellent job they have done to assure that the candidates that are presented here today are all well qualified for admission to the bar of the state of New York. The committee's work is important to the court as well as to the state of New York, and the committee members honor us by serving pro bono, and their work is greatly appreciated. I would ask that you please relate this message to them.
I will, thank you.
Now we're going to turn to the motion that's presently before the court. Justice Cardozo famously said, "Justice delayed is justice denied." We will deny no justice today, and we will not delay because my colleagues have authorized me to grant the motion presently. The oath will now be administered by Margaret Zoa, our clerk of the court.
Good afternoon, Justice Gish. Good afternoon, candidates. Please raise your right hand. I'll recite the oath in the form of a question. When I'm done, I'll ask you to unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do." Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. Please remute your mics. You may put your hands down.
Congratulations, you are now all officially lawyers. I'm going to ask my colleagues to unmute their microphones so we can give you a hearty round of applause. It is our custom here in this court for one of the justices to give you welcoming remarks. And today that honor falls to my colleague, Justice Angela Mazzarelli.
Thank you very much. And congratulations. Can you hear me? This is a truly momentous day for all of you and for your families. So once again, congratulations and welcome to the bar of the state of New York. Each of you have worked so very hard to reach this milestone, and it is truly to be celebrated. We all know that these are extraordinary times. Just the fact that this ceremony is being done virtually exemplifies that. Nonetheless, that should not detract from the joy and the importance of today for you. Being a lawyer is a great honor and privilege. It gives you the knowledge and the ability to affect the lives of others, many others, in a positive way. The legal system and lawyers are and have been the most important vehicle for social change throughout the history of our country in every area. Without lawyers and their courageous acts, no progress would have been made in the areas of civil rights, gender equality, equal access for all to economic opportunity, and equal protection for every person under the law. Recent events have shown how crucial this role of lawyers. However, we all know that we still have a long road ahead to fully achieve those goals. And it will be lawyers like you who will work to reach those goals. I hope that when conditions permit, you will visit our courtroom. It's a beautiful place, the courthouse and the courtroom, and take in their magnificence. When we perform this ceremony in our courtroom, I talk about the beauty and the majesty that surrounds us, and what an honor and a privilege it is to be in that room. I point out its magnificent and meaningful art, which exemplifies important concepts in the law. There are murals in the courtroom depicting power, wisdom, and justice, the pillars of our legal system. I also mentioned that 2 of the current United States Supreme Court justices and one who has recently passed away were sworn in there in our courtroom: Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, and Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But there are also many other famous lawyers who have been members of the New York Bar: Benjamin Cardozo, Louis Brandeis, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, to name only a few. Each of you have now joined that same bar, the New York State Bar, and each of you has the opportunity to follow their greatness. You are limited only by your imagination and your energy. So go and celebrate your accomplishments and forge ahead and work toward the goal of achieving justice for all. Thank you and congratulations again.
The judges will now log off. All new attorneys, please stay on the